Hello, welcome to this video on economic profit in perfect competition. In this video we'll have a look at the diagram for a firm in perfect competition that shows an economic profit. Second point is that we'll try to explain and show how economic profit in the long run will be competed away. In the previous video we've explained this diagram. A firm in perfect competition is a price taker, so it has to accept the price that is established on the market. This is represented by the AR or MR curve, average revenue or marginal revenue. We've also seen that the average costs are sloping downwards as long as the marginal costs are below. As soon as the marginal costs exceed the average cost curve will slope upwards. In this situation, the firm will produce a 30 units output to maximize its profit. But here's a diagram for a firm in perfect competition showing an economic profit. What's different? As you can see, the AC curve lies well below the average revenue and marginal revenue curve. In the previous situation, the average cost curve did not go below the average revenue and marginal revenue curve. A firm in perfect competition will maximize its profit where MC equals MR. In this diagram at a point 30 units of output. At this point we notice that the average revenue exceeds average cost per unit. So the profit per unit, being AR minus AC, is a positive. That means the area between these two dots horizontally is what we call economic profit. The profit is found by multiplying the profit per unit times the output. How does that work in the long run? Remember, the existence of economic profit attracts new suppliers to the market. So the question is, what happens to the price of the good if new suppliers enter the market? As a result, the supply curve will shift to the right. Consequently, the price will fall. In perfect competition, in the long run, the price will equal marginal cost, will equal marginal revenue. If we look at our diagram, we will see that the lowering of the price leads to a lowering of the AR or MR curve. It will move downwards, eventually to the level where AC, MC, and AR are equal. Eventually, economic profit disappears, because at this newfound equilibrium, the average cost equal the average revenue. So only normal profit will be made. In conclusion, as long as a firm establishes that normal profit, they will stay in the market. Economic profit attracts new suppliers to the market, and in the long run, firms will only make a normal profit. If firms are unable to make a normal profit, for example, the costs are too high, or they're not satisfied with a normal profit, they will leave the market. In the next video, we'll have a look at the situation of an economic loss in perfect competition.